Bringing a new breath to urban mobility, Ami is an ideal option especially for urban drivers and those who want to turn heavy traffic into an advantage. Moreover, it also has advantages such as extended range, short charging time and ease of driving. However, of course, like every vehicle, Citroen Ami is not without its cons. So, let's examine the pros and cons of Ami one by one and see if it is a suitable tool for you. Citroen Ami, which can be used by people aged 16 and over with a B1 class driver's license, is offered for sale with plenty of customization and accessory options. Citroen Ami has an electric motor producing 8 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque and a 5.5 kWh lithium-ion battery. Ami, whose maximum speed is limited to 45 km per hour, can travel 75 km on a single charge. It takes Ami 10 seconds to reach top speed. Citroen Ami's battery can be charged in 3 hours with a standard socket, 220 volts, and electric cable. Can be used with a B1 driving license from the age of 16, 2.41 meters length and 7.20 meters turning circle, 6 different customization options with 4 kits and 2 different packages, large glazed surfaces, panoramic ceiling, 75 km driving range, 100% charge in 3 hours with 220V household socket, produced for daily work in the city and short-distance driving. This mini car not only fully meets its production purpose, it also shows an unexpected performance. Even though it can reach a maximum speed of 45 km per hour and has 8 horsepower, its hill performance is surprisingly good. Thanks to its small size, lightness and stiff suspensions, its maneuverability is also appreciated by users. You are right to be skeptical of Ami when it comes to security, because Ami is a little defenseless against a blow from the other side. Since it is a simple car produced only considering the requirements, Citroen Ami does not have the security systems we are used to, including airbag. However, the good thing is that unless there is an accident caused by the other party, you can trust Ami. When the vehicle's small dimensions, narrow turning circle and rigid suspension come together, we can say that Ami's maneuverability and road holding are quite good. Its lightness also supports this agility. In addition to road holding, another outstanding feature is handling. Ami's extraordinary windows and wide viewing angle increase road control and offer safe driving. Now that we've examined Ami's technical features, it's time for aesthetics. Ami has a very simple appearance from the outside, however, we cannot help but say that it has an iconic appearance thanks to its colorful and large wheels. In addition, the doors that open with the help of belts and the single wiper give the vehicle a sporty appearance. These practical solutions, which Citroen uses to get rid of the weight of the door handles and maintain the simple design, are reminiscent of racing cars. Another prominent design feature of the vehicle is symmetry. Even doors have had their share of the design based on simple symmetry, and because they are symmetrical, they open upside down. Even though it may seem different at first glance, it is a very appropriate move considering the use and production purpose of the vehicle.